Hello and welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. Well, we are still tracking some breaking inputs now, but this time we're tracking some updates and comments coming in from the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, where while addressing a public rally in West Bengal, UP CM Yogi Adityanath has said that we will hang the rioters and the culprits of Sandesh Khali. Now, in a fiery address at a public rally in Behrampur, Uttar Pradesh's Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has made these strong comments, vowing to take strict action against the perpetrators of the violence in Sandesh Khali. So these are latest inputs that we are tracking at this point of time. UP CM has said, and I quote, "We will hang the rioters and the culprits of Sandesh Khali." So joining us on the broadcast is our colleague Arun Dhanda. Arun, take us through the specific remarks made by UP CM regarding the entire situation in Sandesh Khali during his public rally.
Well, see, Yogi Adityanath, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, we all know he has a very strong image as far as law and order is concerned in Uttar Pradesh, and therefore he was addressing this rally in West Bengal where he talked about the Sandesh Khali and how he said that the culprits and the people behind what happened in Sandesh Khali will not be spared. And it was a very strong message which Yogi Adityanath during that rally in West Bengal. We all know, Sheikh Shah Jahan, one of the prime accused in this case, is already in the Enforcement Directorate's custody. The matter is going on. It is also in the courts as well. So as we, heading towards the another phase of the Lok Sabha polls, we are seeing that debates are intensifying, and specifically West Bengal, because it is touted to be, one of the very interesting fights in Lok Sabha elections in West Bengal. That what is going to happen, because Mamata Banerjee is also not sparing BJP there. She's saying that this is all lies which BJP is spreading. They are working under a certain vendetta, and therefore they are alleging all these things. But of course, BJP has been making this point that what happened in Sandesh Khali is something which is happening in major parts of West Bengal, and we have seen that how the entire campaign of Bharatiya Janata Party has shifted post that incident of Sandesh Khali happened, and BJP in fact has jumped onto it, and now they are pushing it aggressively in the state and talking about the lies of the state government, exposing the law and order.
Right, Arun. Thank you so much for bringing in all those details. We'll keep coming back to this story as the day progresses. But right now, we're shifting our focus